very fucked up right now. The fucking engine is smoking. This shit is bullshit.
You see the highway?
Look at this shit.
You see Baltimore?
No fucking joke.
You see Baltimore? You see the cars down there? Yeah. Yeah. See the cars?
Look at that shit.
Know what I mean? That's where we at.
Oh, motherfucker. Look at his face.
Yeah, nigga.
Look at his face.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me call Mike.
Our motherfucking work truck just like literally fucking cut the fuck off.
I'm upset here. Take this one.
It cut off. Like in the middle of fucking 95.
What exit we at? Like,
Man, we right at Martin Luther King.
Mike.
Right by MLK.
You will not believe this, man.
Engine ran hot.
I was on my way.
Fucked up.
Huh?
And
the engine just fucking died on me. I'm on the side of the road. I was on my way back, man.
I'm about
I
to
had
call
like
my manager.
10 minutes I would have been there. I'm on 95.
I'm about to call my manager and tell him that.
What exit number are we on?
Hold on.
Five.
We're at the intersection where Martin Luther King first joins 95. Oh yeah. Well, 195. Well, 195 joins 95. I will walk home from where I'm at.
It's the salvo, man. You won't believe this. My truck.
Look at this man face right here.
Smoking,
Pissed,
and
nigga.
it just
I'm
popped
supposed to
out.
play
I'm
Call
on
of
the
Duty
side of the
tonight,
road.
yo. Fucking pissed.
The deliveries
bitch.
are all done. I'm on the side.